Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to model a coffee cup. First of all, you need to delete. Hit a key to select everything, then hit X to delete. I'm gonna add in a mesh, which is a circle mesh, and it's so accurate to model the shape of your cup. Just let's zoom in a little bit. Hit the tab key to switch to edit mode, then extrude along the z-axis just a little bit like this. I think this length will be fine. If you can't remember or you can't, or you don't know the shape of how the shape of the cup is, you can add reference image. Also, you can model just like this, and we have to select the edge loop like this. Hit Alt key, hold down the Alt key and click on the left mouse button to select this edge loop at the bottom of this cylinder. Just scale it to the center of the center. I'm gonna be adding some loop cuts. Hit Ctrl R to add, let's add for example just 3 loop cuts. Click on the left mouse button to confirm the process. So all we need now how to scale, just let's select this edge loop, which is close to the top of this cylinder. Hold down the Alt key and click on the left mouse button. So just scale it out just a little bit like this. Select this edge loop as shown here, then just scale it just a little bit like this. Select this edge loop close to the bottom of the cup. Hold down the Alt key and click on the left mouse button to select this edge loop. Then scale it out just a bit like this, in order to create or to reshape our cup. Let's select edge loop at the top, at the very top of this cup. Hold down the Alt key and click on the left mouse button. Then let's scale it just a tiny bit out. I've created the shape, approximately the shape of the cup. Then let's select the edge loop at the bottom of this cup. I'm going to fill it using the Ctrl F to bring this menu. Click on grid fill, then we have filled this space. Or you should make add more details to the bottom of the cup. Also, we need to undo Ctrl C. Just hit it to extrude, then click on the left mouse button, then hit S to scale it in. Also click on E key to extrude, then hit S to scale it just a tiny bit like this. Now we need to push it upward. Hit the G key, then grab it along the Z-axis. just like this. And here you can use the grid fill, Ctrl F, click on grid fill. I think this will be so good. Also we need to add some other edge loops, Ctrl R, to add another edge loop just close to this, and we should add another edge loop just close to this edge, Ctrl R. Ctrl R to add another loop cut. As shown here, and also we need to later to add some thickness to our cap, so let's add another loop cut. Ctrl R to add another loop cut at the top, close to the edge of the top. So now I'm going to create just a lip or orifice at this border. Click on 7 on the numpad, then select this vertex. Just make sure you selected just one vertex, because later it will be so bad with the topology. Also we need to just hit 7 on the numpad, then let's grab it just a little bit along the x-axis, just like this. So let's add the 2 loop cuts in this region, in this location, in order to make the handle, because this part, this left part, should be symmetrical to the right part. Also let's hit Ctrl R to add 2 loop cuts. I'm gonna be using the knife tool. Escape, click on 3 on the numpad, then using the knife tool, let's make a handle. Let's add the loop cut, Ctrl R to add the loop cut, and add another loop cut close to this part. Click on 3 for side view, then switch to face selection mode. Let's select these 2 faces like this. Then let's extrude along the x-axis, just tiny bit like this. Then extrude it like this. Then extrude it like this. Let's grab it along the x-axis. Grab it along the z-axis like this. Let's rotate along the y-axis. Make sure that the topology is not deformed. Extrude like this. Then extrude like this. Let's grab it, move it along the x-axis. Hit the G key, then X. So let's also extrude, rotate along the y-axis. Also we need to extrude it along the x-axis, just like this. I think the shape would be so good until now. So let's just zoom in. Switch to vertex selection mode, then let's move it along the z-axis, just a tiny bit downward. We need to join some vertices over there like this. So just you can use the fill-in tool. Select these 4 vertices, the most close vertices, then hit F key to fill. Select these 4 vertices, hit F to fill. Also let's do it for the other vertices. Hit F to fill. Select this vertex and hit F to fill all these vertices, and to have created almost the shape of the cap. The handle is so thick, let's see what we should do. The handle is so thick, so let's select this vertex and this, so GG to move it just like this. Then hit GG twice to move it just a little bit like this. Then we need to make the same process. GG to move it just a little bit like this. Then hit G twice to move it just a little bit like this. So let's do it for this vertex. Hit G twice and move it just like this. Let's do it for this. Hit G twice. Also for this vertex, G twice. In order to move it just tiny bit like this. Hold down the Alt key and click on left mouse button to scale it in. Also do it for this. Let's scale it in. Select this edge loop, scale it in. I think this will be fine. Select this edge loop also, scale it in. Select this edge loop, hold down the Alt key and click on left mouse button, scale it in. Also we should select this edge loop, scale it in. Just tiny bit like this. Also we have created a good handle. What we need to do now, we need to fill this gap, this space. Select these 4 vertices. Hit F to fill. Select these 4 vertices. Hit F to fill. Just we need to select this edge loop. Then rotate a tiny bit on the y-axis. Then let's scale it along the scale it along the x-axis. Then grab it along the x-axis, also hit the G key. Let's select this edge loop. Hold down the shift key, then rotate it along the y-axis. Also, we need to select these the three vertices, then grab it along the y-axis, along the x-axis. I think this shape will be fine. To have created the cap. Now we need to add some thickness to our cap. Click on this range, add the modifier. Let's add solidify modifier. I think this thickness will be so good to our cap, so tap to edit mode, tap to object mode, then apply. Let's see what we have here, if we have any issues due to the solidify modifier. So I think this will be so fine with our cap. Then we need to add subdivision surface modifier. Let's add subdivision surface modifier. Set the level to 2. Turn on the on gauge. Shade smooth, and to have some issues. Turn off the subdivision surface modifier. So let's see. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to fix the topology of this cap and to have many issues, and how to solve some problems with these issues. Thanks for watching.